and welcome to yet another season of TechnoKids with Amna. This season, we focus on the science behind why certain things work the way they do. Some really obvious things, but probably those we never thought about. Let's hop in. We all know that Earth, like most other planets, spin on its axis and also revolves around the sun in the solar system. Ever wondered in which direction all this happens? Counterclockwise or anti-clockwise is the answer. But why? Well, nobody really knows why everything in the universe spins anti-clockwise. In fact, even the notion of anti-clockwise is subject to how you look at things. Normally, we tend to look at things from the top down, like in the North Pole, and it may feel it's counterclockwise. But if you were to stand in the South Pole, the same motion may seem clockwise to you. Strange, but true. Back in 1687, Sir Isaac Newton published his famous 3 laws of motion. Among these, the first law of motion is often stated as an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion that stays in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, some sort of collision set the universe in motion, and since there was no external force in space to act against this motion, everything kept on spinning from the beginning of time. An interesting exception in this notion is the planet Venus, which rotates in the opposite direction as other planets. Not sure why. But then again, a popular belief is that Venus got tipped over by the sun's gravity, and hence started going in the opposite direction. Did you know that the Earth's rotation on its axis is slowing down each year? This means that days can get longer as years pass. But not to worry, the slowness is too minute. Something like 1.7 milliseconds every 100 years. If that's hard for you to figure out, it translates to waiting another 200 million years to see a 25-hour-long day. The Earth spins at a tremendous speed of around 1,600 kilometers per hour. That would be like reaching Abu Dhabi from Dubai in 5 minutes. Due to the Earth's atmosphere and the fact that we too move at the same speed along with the Earth, we don't feel this. Something like how you sit comfortably in your car while your dad speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour. But then what happens if he hits the brakes suddenly? The car comes to a stop, but you get pushed forward. This is what Newton's first law of motion is all about. Something that is in motion likes to continue to stay in motion. Likewise, if the Earth stopped rotating all of a sudden, everything that's lying loose on the Earth's surface will suddenly fly eastward at 1,600 kilometers per hour. Can you imagine that? Gigantic waves, probably bigger than huge towers, would sweep into the land from the ocean and cause mass destruction. All the water from the oceans would move towards the North and South Poles, and the oceans like Atlantic and Pacific would dry out, revealing a large portion of land that interconnects all the continents. Look at the bright side. The Americas, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia will all be connected and form one large continent, while 2 large oceans form at the North and South Pole. But this all leads to a dramatic shift in the Earth's ecosystem and can lead to extinction of many life forms. Earth stopping spinning would also mean that it would begin to experience 6 straight months of day and then 6 months of night in a year. The 4 seasons as we experience today would get messed up. Given the fact that the Earth is slowing down by 1.7 milliseconds every 100 years, the Earth would definitely come to a stop somewhere in the future. But that's estimated to happen by my 4.5 billionth birthday. So we have time. Until then, don't forget to stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned.